Hi everyone, right, for this project you're going to need a tray or piece of paper for glitter, some glitters. I've got some fine ones here. You're also going to need some sticky back paper, double-sided, and some leaves, and I've just hand cut these, just different leaves. You're also going to need some lace, and if you can get all those things together right now, stop the film, sorry, get everything together, come back and join me. Okay, you ready? You know you can stop the film and get all your bits together, but a lot of people have got this sort of thing. Now if you haven't got the double-sided tape, you could use Mod Podge, but I'm going to be using this. And what we're going to do is we take off, let me just see how much of this I'm going to need. So I'm going to do 4 of these, so that's 1, 2, 3, yeah, I can fit that on there, so I don't need to use or waste any of my sticky back paper. So just put that to one side. What you're going to do is take off one of the top sheet, leave the sticky bit down, and you're going to face down, put these face down. Did I have it like that? Can't remember. Put that on. This big one this way. Just pop them on like that. Love this. Love playing around like this. It's great fun. Now let's just make sure we can fit this on. Yeah, that's fab. Like that. And then we're just going to cut Now what you're going to do next is to peel off, let me just use something to rub that on like that, and then you're going to peel off this back like that, so you've got a sticky one there. Take hold of your lace. Now how do I want mine? I think I'll just I want it so I can actually see the, oops, this is trouble, it's sticky. Ah. I want to see the lace in mine. So I've just laid that on like that and press that down. Then what you need to do is take your, I'll do two colours that you can see. Let me put this over the tray. Sprinkle on your colour. I would if I took the lid off your nana. Okay. Sprinkle that on. Because they can be any colour you want them to be. Like that. I'm just going to gently rub mine in. Just rub it down so that it gets all the sticky, it attaches to it all. Like that. Okay. And then you turn it upside down and you tap all the excess off. And then we have to put this back in the tub. I hope we can get it in. Oops, a daisy, come on. Oh, let's just get this off. It's the only problem when you're playing around with glitter, it sticks to everything, gets on everything. Won't come out the pot properly. That'll do. That'll do. Pop my little lid back on. And then that goes on there. Like that. Just going to wipe that out. And then you take a, whoops, get off of that. Take hold of this, the lace, and you peel that back. And that reveals your pattern. Isn't that gorgeous? And then what you do is you take your next colour. So I'm going to do this, let me see, I think we'll do a darker colour because you should be able to see that. Like that. You should still be able to see the two, and you sprinkle that all over the top. Now you can do these as decorations for your Christmas tree, cards, well, I've shown you how to do it on a handbag. I did it with the Michaels box and changed it into a handbag. So if you put that in, evening bag it was called, so if you put in my name and then the evening bag, it'll come up and I show you how to do an evening bag. And then all you do is tap that off, and hopefully you can see, isn't that gorgeous? And then what you can do to further enhance that, so I'm just going to show you. You take some stickles, and we're just going to not do a straight line or anything like that. We'll just do some little veins shooting off. Like that. You can do them like that, so you can see that, hopefully. Let that dry, and you can also go around the edge just to make it a bit more fun. And get your kids to do this. They absolutely love playing with glitters and things like that. you didn't want it on the stem and you wanted to paint that afterwards, you just don't put the sticky back paper on it. I'm just showing you other ways to be creative. Probably should have chosen a different, a more reddish colour, which would have looked fantastic. But I also like this colour, or these two colours together. So there you go. Great way to make decoration and play around. What a stunning effect. Thanks for watching. Speak soon. Take care. Bye bye for now.